Are you ready to impress your taste buds with something light and tasty? Let's dive into making an orzo pasta salad. Start by cooking your orzo pasta until it's al dente. While that's going, let's whip up our star ingredient, basil butter. In a pan, melt some butter, then add fresh basil, garlic, lemon zest, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Your kitchen will smell like heaven. Now chop up some colorful bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, peppery arugula, and briny green olives. Toss these vibrant veggies with your cooked orzo. Pour that aromatic basil butter over the mix and give it a good stir. Each bite is a burst of freshness and flavor, and there you have it. A refreshing orzo pasta salad that's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family barbecue or a light lunch, this salad is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Enjoy your tasty creation. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!
Let's change that with a delicious solution. Introducing Ayurvedic ice cream with blueberries. Plus we've added brain-boosting herbs like chi energy powder and shroom mocha milk. To spice things up, we've included digestion-friendly spices like ginger, cinnamon and cardamom. Making it is a breeze. Just blend frozen cauliflower, blueberries, protein powder, a healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth and balance your dosha. Spring is the season of kapha, marked by earth and fire elements. Too many sweets can throw these elements off balance. But don't worry, our Ayurvedic ice cream is here to help.
This is why you need to try a berry granola smoothie bowl. Imagine waking up to a vibrant berry-filled bowl that's as tasty as it is healthy. Today, we're making a berry granola smoothie bowl that's super easy and perfect for those on-the-go mornings. First, grab your favorite berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. Toss them into a blender with a couple of spoonfuls of yogurt for creaminess, and a splash of your preferred milk. Blend it all until smooth and dreamy. Now pour that luscious smoothie into a bowl. Here comes the fun part, toppings. Sprinkle on some crunchy granola, a handful of nuts, and maybe a few fresh fruit slices. Not only does this bowl look Instagram-worthy, but it's also packed with fiber and antioxidants, keeping you full and energized. Perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack, this smoothie bowl is a game changer. So next time you're in a rush but want something healthy, whip up this berry granola smoothie bowl. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.